Assalamu alaikum viewers, I hope all of you are fine. Welcome back to my channel Zenny Study Instruments. Here all students who are doing master or BS in English can seek help. Our today's course is very important questions in literature, short questions, and I'm gonna tell you about the very important topics about short questions. Before starting this video guys, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon as well to get notification of my new videos. And video अच्छी लगे तो please press the like button and share my video with your friends. Please share my video with your friends. The viewers who have subscribed my channel are requested to watch the video till end so that you can understand the full topic. If you don't understand, please tell me in the comment box. If you need another topic, please tell me in the comment box. You will get the same topic in the next video. Zenny Study Instruments, Literature in Pakistan. Now I'm gonna start. The topic is important short questions with answers. Guys, ये questions भी मुझसे कमेंट बॉक्स में पूछे गए थे. अगर आपको कोई और क्वेश्चन पूछना है या किसी को कोई क्वेश्चन पूछना है, आप मुझे कमेंट कर सकते हैं. आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में वही क्वेश्चन का आंसर मिल जाएगा. Important short question. First is, what is Hane main focus in redress of poetry? The restorative power of poetry is for Hane its most important function. Hane is specially eager to defend the delight in poetry against those who would make it an instrument of political correctness and so serve some specific social or political purpose. What is Edward Said known for? Edward Said, in full Edward Vadia Said, sometimes Edward William Said, born November 1st, 1935, Jerusalem, and dead September 25, 2003, New York, USA. Palestinian American academic, political activist, and literary critic who examined literature in light of social and cultural politics and was an outspoken. Third, Smois Hane visualized a bright future? Yes, he visualized a bright future of poetry. Fourth, Russell was an atheist? Yes, Russell was an atheist because he don't believe any kind of religion. Fifth, Swift was a reformer? Swift was not a reformer, he was a pessimist. Guys, ये था हमारा आज का टॉपिक. वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज प्रेस द लाइक बटन एंड शेयर माय वीडियो विद योर फ्रेंड्स. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. अल्लाह हाफिज.